This screencast will help you use the Chronicling America website to locate information from its collection of digitized historical newspapers. Chronicling America is supported by a partnership between the National Endowment for the Humanities and the Library of Congress. There are three major search criteria used to find content within the digitized newspaper collection. First, the location of the newspaper publication. This is indicated by a selection of a state or states. Second, the date or dates of publication. This is indicated by a year or year and date range. Third, the word or words of text to locate within the newspaper content. There is also an advanced search function that provides additional tools including phrase searching. A listing of digitized newspapers by state, ethnicity and language is also available. Let's try a search to see how it works. I want to locate newspapers in California. I want to see articles published between 1889 and 1890. I want to find the words Yosemite and Park. I want to only see articles on the front page of each paper. The pink highlight boxes indicate where the search terms have been found in each newspaper edition. I'm going to choose the front page from the San Francisco Morning Call, October 1, 1890. You can save the article text and picture as an image file, a PDF, or as a text file. Text files may have some errors due to optical character recognition shortcomings. The content of the display window can be saved in a number of ways. Using the text choice, the text will be displayed from the entire page. Select the content you wish with your mouse and then paste into a text or word processing program and save locally. The PDF option will create a PDF of the entire page. You can save this file locally. Text within the page can be selected and copied. You can save an image of the display window as JP2 image file. This file format is high resolution, but only a few image processing software programs can be used to open it. The JPEG image file format is also available for download. This file format can be opened by a large number of image processing software programs. This concludes our demonstration. We hope you found it useful. Please contact IRA if you have suggestions or comments.